cook some morel mushrooms for you. I've got homemade truffle salt, some of this great crispy fry mix, and we're gonna douse them in butter and a little olive oil, which is heating up in the pan. How it is hollow, stem and cap. Okay, these are actual pits, not wavy ridges. I like to also cut them in circles. Let's see if you can see this a little better here. Slice them. Take that off for a sec. Salt liberally. Yummy. Okay. Throw them in the bag. Shake them up. A little tight. Okay, so you get them ready. You want to put some butter in it, in your pan. Right? Put the butter in. Oh, let's just put it all in. Okay. So that's going. That's going. I'm going to start pulling out the mushrooms. Adding them. Adding them. Adding them. Add some more mushrooms. Get it all going. Fry them up. They smell delicious. We'll be back when they're brown and ready to turn. So once again, the ingredients were butter, grapes, crispy fry mix, a little olive oil, my homemade salt, truffle salt. Yum. Time to flip them. Ready to brown. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh. Cook.
Away from the steam. Got some homemade lasagna. I'm gonna put these crispy morels on top.
We can turn this off and get these crispy mushrooms on. Wait. Make sure they're well done. Oop. one for the cook. Hot. There they are. I like to add a little more truffle salt at the very end. There they are. Looking amazing. Looking amazing. Let's make our plate. So for dinner tonight we have crispy fried morel mushrooms, picked today, and some homemade lasagna that I brought to the lodge to heat up. Let's try. Earthy, nutty, meaty, mushroomy, taste of the forest. Crispy, delicious umami. Goes with the lasagna. I can't stop eating these. So good. They were in the ground an hour ago. See you next time. I'm gonna eat fried morels. Anyone? I'm gonna eat the whole plate myself. They're almost gone. So good.